Hi guys, it's Linda, and today we're going to be looking at the top few features of the Haier iPro Series 5 washing machine. You can control your cycles from wherever you are, you can make your washing work around your schedule, and it knows how to get the best results. We're going to head over to the lab now to look at these features in a bit more depth. There's nothing more annoying than thinking a wash cycle is finished, and then when you go to unload your clothes, you see that it's still going. But with this machine, you can actually check and control your washing cycle just by using your smartphone. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get these loaded and get a wash started just by using my phone. Whilst the cycle's running, you can also check energy efficiency and consumption, which is really handy. You get notified when a cycle ends, so I can keep this running and tell you about its other great features. You don't have to put your plans on hold to wait to empty your washing machine after a cycle's finished either. Instead, you can make it work around your schedule by fine-tuning the duration of each cycle based on how much time you've got. It's a really clever machine. It even knows how to get you the best possible results from each wash whilst also saving you money. It does this by automatically weighing each load. It uses that information to fine-tune the amount of water that's used and how long that cycle will run for. It means it only uses what it needs, so nothing is wasted, whether it's water or electricity. Oh, there we go. Just got a notification and my cycle is finished. To find out more about the Haier washing machine, visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.